Welcome everyone to Creatrix YouTube channel, my dear friends, and I'm back again, this time with another job notification which has recently come out, that is DRDO recruitment. So in this video, I'll be telling you everything that is out there for DRDO recruitment. What are the conditions, what are the vacancies, what is the eligibility criteria, and how you can get this job. Everything is included in this video, so be prepared. And let's go through this video to understand what is this all about. But before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got All India Rank 1 twice in GATE. In 2014 and 2018, I was awarded gold medal by President of India himself in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT. And I am currently working as a AVP at an academy for the GATE department. So that is all that is there to know about me. But you should know about me because you should always know your educator. But remember one thing, bacho, if you are connected to this channel, if you are watching videos on this channel, I can tell you one thing with utmost surety that you are gonna succeed if you work hard with us, because we never hold back when we take YouTube classes. We provide the best of the best content out there, and if you are a hard-working student, you can definitely be benefited from this and you can definitely crack GATE with a top rank. So let's see, beta. Scientist B position is basically has come out with 579 vacancies and including the 51 backlog vacancies. What are these backlog vacancies? The seats that remained unfilled in the previous year. So scientist B vacancy in DST are 8 and scientist B in ADA is 43. ADA is what? Aeronautical Development Agency. DRDO is what? Defense Research and Development Organization. So let's see. RAC invites online application from graduate engineers and postgraduate. Both BTech and MTech can apply in science, including students who are appearing or have appeared in the final year examination. So the final year students can also apply and are likely to get a degree before closing date through the RAC website. That means before the closing date of application, if you can get your degree and you are in your final year, then you can definitely apply for this. So this is their website where they are asking for application rac.gov.in for the recruitment of scientist B in DRDO and DST Department of Science and Technology, Aeronautical Development Agency ADA in level 10. Level 10 is a great level. That is a good level for engineers. 7th Central Pay Commission of the pay matrix of rupees 56,100. But that is not the total salary. The total salary will be approximately 88,000. Again, a very good package to start with, 88,000, and that too you will become a scientist in an industry being run by the central government, working for the defense requirement of this country. That is the best you can get. That is how you can work on the latest technologies, latest trend, and at the same time you can serve your country. So your knowledge can come in use for your country if you join a company like DRDO. Now let's see the vacancies. This is the part 1, beta. In part 1, we have 135 vacancies for ECE, 12 vacancies in ADA and DST 2 vacancies. A total of 149 vacancies in the 3 companies DRDO, ADA and DST. Now what do you need? You need a first class bachelor degree in electronics and communication. And you also need to fulfill one of the 2 criteria. Either you must have qualified GATE ECE, GATE electrical, GATE instrumentation is not included, only ECE, or you must have 80% marks from a IIT or a NIT. So either you should have qualified GATE to show your technical potential, or you must have 80% marks from IIT or NIT. Now, what are the acceptable essential qualification degree? ECE, electronics, electronics computer, electronics control, electronics communication, EI, ETC, electronics telematics, industrial electronics, telecommunication, telecommunication and information, applied electronics, electronics and electrical, electrical with communication, radio physics, electrical engineering. So electrical engineering can also apply. See this? Electrical and electronics, that is EEE, but you need GATE score in ECE. So somebody who has qualified GATE in ECE from electrical can apply. Electronics and communication, avionics. So all these departments are included. Next is for mechanical, same criteria. they must have qualified GATE mechanical or 80% marks in EQ degree. And the branches are mechanical, mechanical automation, mechanical production. How many vacancies are there, beta? 132 plus 17 plus 1, that is 150 vacancies for mechanical, out of which maximum are in DRDO. Then computer science, again the same qualification. We have 104, 4 and 2 vacancies, that is 110. What is this 10 at the rate, 12 at the rate? These are the backlog vacancies from the previous year. Now, what are the departments? CS and engineering technology, CS and IT, CS and system engineering, software engineering, computer science and automation, IT, computer science, technology and informatics, information science and engineering, computer and communication, computer networking. All these are included. Now, the part 2 is for those for electrical engineering. In electrical, how many vacancies we have? 25 in DRDO, 2 in ADA and 1 is DST, that is 28. Now, you need to have a first class bachelor degree in engineering or technology in electrical, and you need to have a valid GATE score in paper code EE. So here, being from IIT or NIT will not help you. Here you need to have a GATE score. And branches are electrical power system, electrical electronics, renewable, power engineering, power electronics, electrical and electronics communication, electrical with communication. Then civil engineering, we have 6 vacancies in DRDO. And again, same thing. You need to have a GATE score in civil or civil structural, civil environmental, civil rural, civil water, civil infrastructure, construction engineering. See, your GATE score must be from CE. GATE score must be from CE, but you could have done engineering from all these branches. Similarly, here your GATE score must be from EE, but you could have done your engineering from all these branches. Next is instrumentation. We have only 2 vacancies. Again, GATE qualification in the paper code IN. GATE you must have given from IN, but you could have done your engineering from all these branches: instrumentation, instrumentation control, electronics instrumentation, electronic instrumentation control, applied electronics and instrumentation, electrical and instrumentation, electrical instrumentation and control, power electronics and instrumentation, electronic communication and instrumentation. In chemical, we have 21 vacancies, out of which 4 are for backlog. Here you need to have a valid GATE score in the chemical paper. But your degree can be from chemical, chemical technology, chemical plant, applied chemical and polymer technology, polymer science and chemical technology, chemical science and technology. Okay. Now, what is the eligibility of recruitment? Part 1. You must have educational qualification, essential qualification with GATE qualification, or you must be from IIT, NIT with 80% marks. Part 1 includes ECE, mechanical, okay, ECE, mechanical, and which one was there? This is the part 1, and CS. ECE, mechanical and CS. You need to have a essential qualification with a GATE score or from IIT, NIT with 80% aggregate. Part 2 includes electrical, civil, instrumentation, chemical. You need to have essential qualification with GATE qualification. Okay, here there is no criteria for IIT, NIT. Now, what is the age limit? Age limit for DRDO for unreserved is 28, for DST is 35, ADA is 30. OBC 3-year relaxation is there. SC, ST 5-year relaxation is there. Okay. Now, so relaxation in upper age limit up to 10 years for PWD candidate, and relaxation can be up to 5 years for servicing central civilian government employees working in posts which are in the same line or allied cadres. Okay. So beta, that is somebody who is working, somebody whose parents is working in the same category. Okay. Okay. Somebody who is working himself in the central government in the same lines, that is in the same domain as DRDO, for them age limit can be relaxed up to 5 years even for unreserved. Okay. Now, how to apply? For that you have to visit this website rac.gov.in. You will get all the application details. Now, what are the documents required? Self-attested certificate, testimonial regarding date of birth. Date of birth proof, that is the 10th certificate, high school certificate or birth certificate or 10th class mark sheet. Essential qualification degree, that is your college degree, along with mark sheet with both front and reverse side. Okay. Conversion formula, sometimes the colleges like IIT will give you CGPA. So you need to have a conversion formula to percentage. Caste certificate, EWS certificate, ex-serviceman, disability, employment in the central government post. So all these certificates, whichever category you are applying, you need to have a certificate of that category, and maximum file size is 500 KB. So first of all, reduce the file size if it is exceeding 500 KB and then upload it. You need to submit the relevant affidavit if your document name and your application name is not matching. Suppose my name is Ankit Goyal and in some certificate it is mentioned that Ankit Kumar Goyal. So I need to have a self-attested certificate, affidavit, where it says that both are the same person. Okay. A recent passport size colored photograph not exceeding 30 KB with a resolution of 110 into 140 pixel. Candidate signature scanned copy, valid GATE scorecard. GATE scorecard you can download from the GATE website. Candidate, whether in government service or government organization, should upload a signed declaration. You need to upload a declaration if you are already working in government. This is not applicable for most of the students, right? Now, you need to pay a fees of 100 rupees if you are from unreserved, EWS or OBC candidate. I think this is very, very manageable. But there is no application fees for SC, ST or PWD candidates. Now, shortlisting. For category 1 in part 1, that is EC, Mechanical and CS, you will be qualified on the basis of GATE score into 1:25. For one vacancy, 25 candidate will be qualifying. Okay, and for category 2, you need to have 80% minimum marks in IIT and NIT, and you will be called for a written exam. Okay, you will be called for a written exam. And in category 1 also you will be shortlisted for a written examination based on GATE score. It doesn't mean that you don't have to give the written exam. Now, candidates who will be appearing for written exam will be shortlisted for interview in a ratio of 1:5. So after written exam, they will select 5 candidates for one vacancy. So if there are 100 vacancies, 500 will qualify. But for part 2, that is electrical, instrumentation, chemical and civil, you will be called on the basis of GATE score in a ratio of 1:5. Okay. For the interview, you do not have to give any written test. You will be directly called for interview. Eligible PWD candidates will be shortlisted for personal interview on the basis of GATE score only for the vacancies reserved for them under part 1 and part 2. That is, PWD candidates do not have to give written exam even if they are from part 1, that is EC, Mechanical and CS. Still they don't have to give a written exam. But for part 2, electrical, instrumentation, civil and chemical, you don't have to give written exam. Your GATE score will be treated as written exam and candidates will be called in the ratio of 1:5. Okay. So final selection for part 1, that is EC, Mechanical and CS, will be 80% weightage in the written exam. GATE score will not be given any weightage. GATE score is just for selecting the candidates for written exam, and 20% weightage in personal interview. 80% for written, 20% for interview. For part 2, 80% weightage is given to the GATE score and 20% to the interview. Okay. And application will close upon after 21 days from activation of link. Once the link is activated for applying, after 21 days, application will be closed. So keep checking the website. I hope this is clear to everyone and you guys definitely apply for this. But if you wish to join Unacademy and you are preparing for GATE 23 or 24, then beta you can join Plus or Iconic. In both subscription, you will get top educators like me, Vishal sir, Siddharth sir, Aditya sir, Shankar sir. You can talk to your educator in live class by raising a hand. You can attend the special doubt clearing class conducted every night at 10:30 PM. In Ask a Doubt, you can upload your doubt and we will provide video solution. Whatever we write in class will be downloadable as notes. Test series will be included. But in Iconic, what additionally you will get? Physical notes. one-to-one mentorship, strategy and study plan, and during open house you can interact via audio. And what you have to do, you just have to join Unacademy using the code AnkitESE to stay in my touch, to stay under my personal guidance. And right now you are getting the best offer. You are getting 20% discount on all subscription Plus and Iconic. So do not miss this offer, and I would suggest that you go for Iconic so that you get personal mentorship and you get the hard copy study material delivered to your home. What is the benefit of mentorship? You can connect one-to-one with your mentor. You can pre-book the slot based on your convenience and your mentor's convenience. You can discuss doubt, exam strategy, personal issues, motivation, everything. And you can also ask them for your progress report because they have all your data, all your progress report. You can ask for feedback so that they can guide you in which direction you need to work. And if you are away from the system, if you are away from the classes for a few days, they will themselves call you to understand if you are facing any issue. That is the power of Iconic. So join Unacademy Iconic today and get 20% discount using code AnkitESE. And number of sessions that you will get will be twice the number of months that you subscribe for. But there is no limitation that you will get only 2 sessions per month. You can book any number of sessions based on your convenience, but the total number of sessions are limited. So initially you can book more sessions and gradually you can reduce the frequency, okay, of these sessions. And the first session for 30 minutes is complimentary. Here you can discuss about the overall strategy. The mentor will get to understand about your background, strengths, weaknesses, and will prepare your study plan accordingly. Okay. And you can avail the loan facility if you are not able to pay for the subscription. Your loan will be approved in 2 hours with minimum paperwork, flexible tenure. That is, you can decide in how many days you can repay. And if you see the results that we have produced in electrical and electronics, this result is nothing short of history. And next year we need to break this record, and if you want to appear in this list, beta, then join Unacademy immediately and study under my personal guidance using the code AnkitESE. And remember, beta, this year we have produced 6 out of top 10 ranks in electrical, and that has only been possible with Unacademy subscription. This is my Telegram channel to stay connected to me. So thanks a lot everyone. I hope you liked the video. Please share it as much as possible so that all the relevant candidates can join, can apply for this job, and I hope you get your dream job. Let's crack it.